personally, I like a guy who is very neat, a man who smells nice during before intimacy and knows how to kiss passionately without having a bad breath, and a man who knows how to listen to, because I'm this kind of, though I talk on videos, I'm a bit shy when it comes to bedmatics. I wouldn't be able to tell you touch me here or touch me here because I don't want you to think I'm too spoiled. Most times I keep quiet and I expect you to know what to do. So I like when you can be able, because I can use my hand and demonstrate where I want you to touch me. So I want you to be sensitive during the intimacy. Don't think it's all about you. Know where to touch me when I'm touching myself. Please, these are some of the things. And again, we girls, most girls like their bodies, like their boobs, to be not pressed like this. No, you don't press it like this, like just the tips, play around it. I don't want to teach you what to do, but make sure you play around it. And please, when you're sucking a girl's stuff, like the boobs, don't suck it too hard. It's painful. Sometimes people, I don't even know if some men even bite it.
Especially when you're about to see a period.
And yes, just this.
Oh, Father Lord.
Don't touch it too hard. It's something you should be licked and played with for stimulation. And also when you're trying to give someone head down there,
I don't eat it. This is not
some people end up almost when they come out from there to swell up.
Are you drinking? Are you chewing cucumber?
Now we don't be too girly about this thing. You understand? Most girls too don't know how to give head to a guy. They don't carry it would be many times. But I cannot go to chemist and tell us, give me plaster. But look, this thing is very, very simple. If it's not your thing, it's not your thing. You understand me? But a guy will not cut your head because you don't have to do that shit.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about product recommendations and relationship talk. If this is your first time of joining me, you're welcome. In today's topic, we're going to be discussing what girls like on bed. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I have two wonderful personalities with me, and then we're going to be addressing this issue together. I'm going to be asking them some questions. I have with me here.
Hi guys, I don't know how to introduce myself.
Oh, no, it's fine. Okay. So Favor and
Hello.
oh,
Yes.
you're welcome.
Yeah.
The Just Beef is here with us.
I had to discuss and argue.
Yeah.
No, not argue. It's not. Why would we argue? It's a normal topic.
Okay, now we're already arguing.
It's not an argument.
We're already arguing.
No.
The topic is what girls like on bed. I know that you're a guy. I know you have a relationship that is going on, and I know that you're a girl. And so we, as girls, we like different things during intimacy, like doing foreplay. So I'm going to be asking my friend here to tell me what some of the things she likes a guy to do to her on bed before doing the main. You know what I mean?
This is so funny. Okay, me, I don't know for you girls. I don't know how you guys do your thing, but for me, what I like in bed is breakfast in bed. I love that shit.
No, I mean before the stuff.
Before or after, anyhow you want to make it be, you get. That shit is so romantic that it turns me on, you get. Like probably when I'm on bed and you just come and serve me something and be like, hey, this is for you. I'm really wet. Like,
Okay. I believe have a girl ever told you? Have a girl ever told you what she likes, like before foreplay?
Yeah, personally, my style is personally, I like discussion.
Okay.
Before whatever thing you want to do. I really like it because some men think fast, slow is the best, but at times she just want to cuddle and chill.
Okay. Do you know that sometimes a girl is shy to tell you what she wants?
That's it. Now, some girls might be shy to discuss that. It happens even in marriage, even in marriage classes. So people are shy to express how they feel.
Okay.
Now, as a man, she might not tell you verbally that I like this kind of thing, but you need to use your initiative to know her likes and dislikes.
Okay. So I actually believe that what we girls, especially, okay, let me use myself here. What I like on bed is that I like a guy to listen to how I feel during the whole process. I mustn't tell him touch me here before he knows where to touch me. Like I can use my hand to demonstrate to touch where I want you to touch me. Like when I'm feeling it, I'm just be touching myself.
Okay.
And then when I'm touching myself, I expect the guy to touch me there.
Sorry to cut you short.
Because I cannot.
It depends if you are sexually attracted to this particular guy. You get.
Okay, that no,
Why would I be
what
making
you
love?
feel is right.
No, that's why we have.
Why would I be making love someone I'm not sexually
No.
attracted to?
You probably must have actually made love so you're not sexually attracted to.
Now, telling your partner, or okay, let me not use your partner or your wife. Let's say a one night stand thing. You met a girl in a club, you're drunk, I'm drunk, you
Yeah.
just want to have fun, everybody sleep. But to an extent, some girls might just want to do it for the fun, because of the moment or the way they feel. But imagine you doing it for the first time and she still tap you, let's do it again. That means you did it right.
Yeah.
Now, you're actually meeting her for the first time, but you're just doing your thing. Now, some girls might like, some girls, natural girl will like slow and steady. Let's kiss, let's
I
romance,
think
let's get to it.
No.
Not you.
No, I think
undressing
the
am.
guy has to be fast. Like he shouldn't do it so doing it so
No,
slow looks
no.
like he's tired. I mean he should be
No,
fast.
it depends on the slow
You
and
see,
steady.
you see what you're talking about? Now everybody have their different
Yeah.
tastes of this thing. You understand? Now, some girls might like it slow and steady because them, they just they don't get wet easily.
Yeah, like
No, you
they
can't
like-
just-
they
you
don't
can't
like
just-
to
you can't
stop here with the-
You can't just plug in and want to do fast. No, there's a process to everything.
Well. I think let me just tell you the truth. I think that what we girls like on bed is that we like you to explore us. See, it's not good when you want to make love to a girl. You're not be asking her, babe, why is your body like this? What happened to you here?
No.
You make this girl ready to start feeling inferior and want to hide every part. And then there are some people that when you're doing something with them, they'll be mourning, like screaming, and you get the girl to keep quiet.
Okay, let me tell you an experience. Let me tell you an experience.
Let me tell you
My personal experience. Some years back, this particular girl, her money is very, very loud, like very, very loud. And I've never experienced such before. So at the point, it was a turn off for me. Why they shout? Why you screaming? What's up? You want to wake the full compound? She says sorry. But after that sorry, she continues again. I have to adjust to understand that this is her kind of person. You understand? So after that period, I start missing that thing she that I don't even like before. Because
Like, you never know what
it's opened a new thing about me in the sex life.
Okay, should we just tell the guys that when we are trying to show them how we feel, like mourning loudly and others, they should just accept it that way, and then they shouldn't make us feel inferior that what we're doing is like we should close our mouth and those kind of
There's no
things.
there's no actual routine on how to make love.
No, I think
There's
you
no
have to-
routine.
No, there are some
It's
okay,
just understanding.
there's something men do that pisses us off, especially in bed. I don't know if something like that has happened to you. Like a man just finished making love to you and he goes to the bathroom and wash up and sleep.
Don't call me.
That shit is
That
so
shit is bad.
disgusting.
Now let me
It's fucking disgusting.
let me talk to the men.
Oh
Let
my
me
God.
talk to the men.
Like,
Look, one is that no matter who she is, sex, you're sharing body with somebody, it's intimacy, it's a penetration that have to do with wetness. So
Yeah.
after your ejaculation, you don't go to the bedroom, you don't take off
Are
the
you
condom.
fucking kidding me? How would you
Look.
want to go wash yourself? I was...
Do you know that moment of sex, after you come, there is warmness between her body and your body.
Yes, that's
If
exactly
you can
what
come
everybody
together, the
needs.
relation will drop.
But what if you don't like you're not in love with this girl?
It's not about
Some men
But
make
that's
love,
different.
make love
Okay.
to girls
The
they
thing
don't
is-
love.
the thing
me. I don't
is-
believe in that. If you don't love a girl but just want to have sex because of the sex thing, because of your feeling in that moment, it doesn't make her a non-entity or a bullshit. Because for a lady to take off her pants and spread her leg for you, bro, it takes a level of
Sorry, but let me
feeling.
say something.
It's out of alcohol.
Let me say something. The thing here is, I've actually made love to guys that I'm not sexually attracted to.
It
And
happens.
because I've made love to you, that doesn't mean that after making that love, you want to cuddle me. No, just go off, wash your whatever, and like.
Now,
fuck
Okay,
out
so
the
you
door.
Now-
feel that you
It's
can do
only
that.
when I'm probably
When you're-
sexually attracted to you, and I know that I like you,
Now-
and you like me too. You get.
let me start from your own point of view or from your own personal experience. Now, first, you have to be sexually attracted to each other for the cuddling according to our own level of
Yeah.
understanding. You understand me? But she might not be sexually attracted to you, but she still want to do those kind of things. She might not want it initially, but look, there's a way you do it. She will enjoy it. But it doesn't mean she's your girlfriend. Just, let's say, a one night stand.
Yeah, one night stand, please.
But guess what? Once you finish doing a one night stand with a girl and you bring something new to her, she will still look for you. She might still want it again. She might.
Yeah, something
Because you know why? She will still go back to where she has been before. And that thing you did is not there. But she was missing it. Be like, hello, what's up? Are you free? Can we see? Now she's a girl telling you these things.
Okay, okay. First, to me, what I like in bed, or what some persons or girls like in bed, is that as a guy, please, you guys have to listen to us. It's not all about, some guys who just come to bed, they want to have fun with you. The next thing they do is they jump on top of you, and most times you're not even wet. Yeah, most times you're not even wet. They just do it like this small. And when they do it like that small, they try to penetrate.
That
And
is
that's
why every
this.
girl should go around with their lubricant. Like, oh, what's up?
No.
Anything can happen. What like that? Yeah, but that's the truth now.
No. Okay. But see, look. If you're a girl, you're going out around with lubricant. That means you're expecting something to happen.
No,
But
no,
Wait.
No, see, let me tell you something.
If we don't have plans to do anything, but it happens that we want to do this thing, and you like take a condom, I'm like, seriously, you go around with condom? You're supposed to ask me, do you have a condom?
Yeah.
I was okay, yes, I have. Okay, no, I don't have. Let me go and get it.
Okay,
Okay, I don't have. Let's try a cooler skill or anything. You understand? But let the question come from the guy. Don't be the one to be forward
That's what I'm
about
trying
it.
to say
Now, but
now.
no. Now, if you have to understand yourself that you don't get wet easily, you let you understand that, look, I don't get wet easily. Do you have anything? You say, okay, I don't have. Okay, let me check my bag. You understand? You wait for him to say, it be like the helping part of it.
But let me ask you this thing. There's sometimes some people don't like kissing, especially me. Personally, my kissing has to do with emotions. And if I love you, no, if I don't love you, I'm not going to kiss you at all. Not at all.
Your leg is
No, but that's actually
Okay.
true.
Oh my
though.
God. Okay.
That's like-
I think kissing has to do with passion. So,
Passion?
what about, is it that most men don't like kissing?
No,
So
not
it doesn't mean they don't like
most men. It's not as if most men doesn't like kissing.
Mm.
Most men like kissing, but it's two-way thing. Once that feeling is not there,
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Something like that.
because you know why we human beings would cherish this mouth more than even the private part.
So fucking much.
You understand?
These my lips are
Not just
so-
my
You know what I mean? People cherish the mouth more than the private. They just want to penetrate. And so, I've seen somebody that did it to somebody that the pussy was. You understand?
Yeah.
It was like,
Yeah.
so he still cherish his face
More than
to what
yeah.
he's doing, but he died.
Wow.
He died out of sickness of those kind of issues. You understand? So no matter what we think we are doing, everything needs to be on point.
You know what's more sexy? When you're waking up next to your boyfriend or your husband and the first thing he says is, babe, let's pray. That shit alone can turn me on.
Oh, that's nice.
You get? So that is, I don't know how you guys or how you girls feel out there, but me alone, that shit turns me on. Babe, let's pray. Let's thank God for life.
It
And
makes you
after that,
feel involved, being
after
close,
that,
being committed.
I swear, act like you can do whatever you want to do.
Don't be like the deeper life that have to pray before having sex. God bless this you want to.
Okay, babe. So,
No matter what we do,
Yeah,
no matter what we do.
I don't really know what to say, but then I've just said mine. Like I said, I love breakfast in bed, and I love someone that's able to, like she said, know the spots, how to turn a lady on, without the lady telling you. You get? So she just know this particular thing, this particular girl wants. Okay, you have to be sexy, and you also have to be good friend. That's the most important thing. Please.
thank you so much for watching this video. In conclusion, these are the things we as girls like on earth.
I've seen some girls that are good looking.